Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin now. Open Hdfc mobile banking or net banking and sign in with your customer ID and password. Once logged in, go to Profile or Personal Details and select Update Mobile Number. Make sure you have your debit card and a government ID ready because you may need them for verification. If your old number still receives messages, keep that phone on hand. An OTP will usually be sent there. If not, continue. There is an alternate branch route. Once you pick the online route, the bank sends an OTP to your old mobile. Enter it promptly to authenticate. If OTP fails or the old number is lost, choose the Visit Branch option and prepare a signed request plus original ID for in-person verification. Upload any required scan documents with clear images and double-check name, account number, and new mobile number before submitting. Make sure you save the acknowledgement or reference ID. This tracks the request if anything needs follow-up. To complete the change, the bank will typically send a confirmation OTP to your new mobile, enter that to finalize the update, and then expect the change to reflect within 24 to 48 hours. If you use the branch route, get the stamped acknowledgement and check your account after 2 days. If OTP is not received or the status shows pending, contact Hdfc customer care or return to the branch with your acknowledgement and ID. This resolves.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.